So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Trident share. So previously, when you have done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the important supports and resistances. So from the thumbnail itself, you can see a special word called exclusive offer. So what is that particular offer that Trident is giving to its shareholders, and followed by the complete technical analysis we'll try to cover in today's video. So make sure you're watching till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by technical charts for intraday followed by swing. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so as I told, coming to the most important thing that the Trident has announced is related to discount on all the products of the company. So it has given that particular offer specially to shareholders, so people who are invested in this particular stock. So it is an exclusive offer to those people. So dates are from 10th December to 2nd Jan 2022. So till that period of time you can avail this particular offer. So it was given by Trident itself, and stock also technically, as I told morning itself in the Telegram group, have drawn a separate trend line and have mentioned that if it crosses or closes above that particular trend line, you can search for buying opportunity. But the stock was facing a resistance in that particular zone itself. So don't worry if you're planning to invest, and if you want to know what are the best levels, so clearly we'll try to discuss the complete technicals. So this is the particular update that I wanted to discuss. Okay, so now let's go to delivery section. Okay, so discussing about the day-to-day wise deliveries, as I told in the previous videos, clearly I've mentioned the support level, and that I've posted in Telegram. So same support, the stock has given a very good reversal, and deliveries wise you can see 63.6% was the previous delivery session. So the circuit got opened. So when it has given a very good reversal, we have seen direct back-to-back positive momentum, but at some point of time the circuit got opened in yesterday's session, and today also it was open, and it has slightly given a profit booking for people who have taken at low levels. So nevertheless, so quickly let's go to technical chart. So first we'll try to do analysis on weekly chart, and then we'll switch over to daily chart. Okay, so when you observe the weekly chart, so clearly have drawn a particular trend line, and you can see this particular gap is still present in this particular stock. So this zone needs to be completed so that this becomes a very good chart pattern for a breakout. So obviously need to understand this. So little bit of sideways momentum needs to be observed in this particular stock before it gives a huge momentum. So that may be observed in the coming weeks. So this particular gap should be filled, and if it gives breakout from that particular trend line, which is somewhere around 57, as I told in the previous sessions, so then we can expect a good move in the stock. So until and then you need to observe this particular zone gets filled, if it moves in that sideways manner, and finally a triangular breakout may be observed. Clear? So this is in weekly chart. So let's also do on daily chart. Okay, so now we are back onto the daily chart. So in daily chart, clearly you can observe all the levels in a simplified manner. So the same trend line, so closing above that has not been completed in today's session. So obviously that level will again continue to be the resistive zone. And coming to supports wise, first support would be somewhere around 50 rupees. So this is going to be very, very important. So if you want to invest, and if you're planning to average, also focus this 50 rupees level. And if you are planning to buy in heavy quantities, let's say you have 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, and if you want to buy in heavy quantities, then I will suggest only above 57 and 60. So there only you can do that particular position. So until then you need to patiently watch the momentum, and that particular gap, if that gets filled, and then if it gives a breakout, you can go for a very good targets. Alright, support is intact, targets are intact, and any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.